Can frozen coils damage my compressor? Yes, frozen coils can damage your compressor if the problem keeps going, because the system can lose airflow, overwork itself, and run under unsafe conditions. Frozen coils usually mean the air conditioner or heat pump is not moving heat the way it should. When the coil gets covered in ice, the system cannot pull heat from the air very well, so the equipment starts struggling to do its job. That struggle can make the compressor run longer than normal, and that extra stress is not good for it. A compressor is like the heart of the system because it pumps refrigerant through the lines and helps the whole unit cool or heat your home. If the coil stays frozen, the refrigerant may return to the compressor in a bad state, and that can cause wear or even serious damage over time. One thing many people do not realize is that a frozen coil is often a warning sign, not the main problem. The real cause is usually low airflow, low refrigerant, a dirty filter, blocked vents, a dirty coil, or a fan problem. The best move is to turn the system off, let the ice melt, and check the filter and airflow right away. If it freezes again, that is a sign you need a technician to find the root cause before the compressor gets hurt. A very common mistake is just turning the system back on after the ice melts without fixing why it froze. That can make the same problem come back fast, so the tip is to find the cause before using it again. Another mistake is ignoring a dirty air filter, because people think one clogged filter is no big deal, but it can slow airflow enough to freeze the coil. A simple fix is to replace the filter and make sure supply vents are open. People also miss the sign of low refrigerant and assume it is only a cleaning issue, but low refrigerant can make the coil get too cold and ice up again and again. The smart move is to have a licensed technician check for leaks and correct the charge, because refrigerant should not just be added without finding the leak. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.